Hello! So today we're going to be looking at adding in scientific notation. When we're adding in scientific notation, there's two different things that can happen. The first is you'll have same exponents. And what that means is when I'm adding in scientific notation, you'll see that both powers here are 5, meaning it's times 10 to the 5th power. So when these are the same exponents, it's actually not a very long process. All we do is we take these two front numbers and we combine them. So 2.1 plus 2.7 would give me 4.8. And then all I actually have to do is keep that same power. So 4.8 times 10 to the 5th, this one's done. When they have different exponents, so when we're adding in scientific notation with different exponents, this is where we're actually going to have a little bit of work. When you add with different exponents, your whole objective should be to get the exponents to be equal. So what we have to do is actually move our decimal, and in this one, remember that decimal is always behind that whole number. We want to move the decimal so that both of these, the 3 and the 2, are either 3 or 2. You can move either one. It's up to you. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to go ahead and change this to, I'm going to change it into a 3. So when we change, remember, so this decimal is behind it, so it's 3.0 times 10 to the 2nd. I'm going to be changing this 2 into a 3. When I add 1, so when I'm increasing, that exponent, the decimal will move left. So when I increase 1, when I go from 2 to 3, it's an increase of 1, which means this decimal moves back 1 place. So it'll move left 1 place. And the opposite is true. If I was going from 3 to 2, that would be a decrease, which means it moves right. So now I can rewrite this. So I have 4 or 4.0 times 10 to the 3rd plus 0.3 times 10 to the now 3rd, because remember I changed it. Now that I have those same exponents, I can go ahead and combine those numbers just like I did in the beginning. So 4.0 plus 0.3 is 4.3, and then I just bring down that power. And remember, we always want to check that this scientific notation is correct, meaning I have a number, a dot, and then another number. All right, so we always want to make sure that scientific notation is between 1 and 10. All right, so that is looking at adding in scientific notation with the same exponents and scientific notation with different exponents.